जादू तो हमने बहुत देखे हैं, लेकिन आज हम कुछ नया यानी साइंस का जादू देखेंगे। वैसे जादू खुद में ही एक साइंस है। सो हियर इज सम फन मैजिक फॉर अस। यहाँ पे कुछ साइंटिस्ट हैं जो यूक्रेन से आए हैं और अपने आप को क्रेजी साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं। चलिए उनके पास चलते हैं और पूछते हैं कि वो आज हमें कौन कौन से मैजिक दिखाएंगे। हेलो मैम।
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So which all magic you are going to show us today?
Well, this we call scientific magic, in fact, and this is purely based on the most wonderful chemical and physical experiments which we actually have in nature, and we make sure that we demonstrate them in a very interesting and entertaining way. So our main goal is to excite the kids, to bring them more interest towards science. So we just make sure that science is not just a boring subject which everyone usually hates at school, but this is something absolutely amazing once you know how to and what to do with it. So this is our main goal, to demonstrate that science is really fun. Today we had our first presentation in the whole India. For that we chose Hallmark Public School, and we got a really wonderful response on that. So we are going to continue in schools in Chandigarh, New Delhi, in north of India, and moreover, actually our big goal is to make parents and people realize that since science can be made in an entertaining way, we are bringing entertainment industry to a new level over here. So we can always say that your fun, your leisure can always be a learning experience as well.
So which is the first fun magic you're going to show us?
So right now our professor is demonstrating the thunder generator. These are very simple devices, but which are able to produce the sound of a thunder, the one you can hear during the monsoon. So right now...
Hello Professor. Can you show us some thunder magic?
Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wonderful, isn't it?
Sure.
Sorry, I'm busy.
So what next after this?
The next experiment which professor is showing right now, they are with polymers. We are showing the cross-linking reaction, where two liquids mixed together become solids. So you can see they look like worms, which look very fun for kids. Even though it's a very complicated chemical reaction, for kids it looks very exciting. This is the main goal.
So we'll just have a look at that.
Sure.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, nice. We have a lot of cosmic worms. You can touch them.
Can I also touch it?
Yes.
You can't eat it. Don't eat it.
Sorry, you
And-
can't eat it.
Okay, what is this?
These are polymers.
Okay.
This is actually sodium alginate. This is something you use in bakery, everywhere in the food industry. But once it's given to the hands of crazy scientists, it becomes a big fun. So this kind of shows they're really big attractions even for the birthdays. We got invitations for different birthdays. Even in India, we were asked for the weddings. We were surprised that people hear that, but we realized one thing, that everyone, even if it's grown up, we are all childs inside. Everyone is excited to see this kind of things. In fact, we have a big number of experiments, and we have also a big program with liquid nitrogen, which we call Ice Age in India. So that's we are going to conduct in one of the schools in Chandigarh very, very soon. So we call this experiment a magic gene.
Okay.
So, and of course, every kid knows how to call the gene out of the lamp. You need to rub the lamp. So you're most welcome to help us in that. You need to rub the bottle, so to call our gene out of it. Can you do that for us?
I'll just try it once. तो चलिए अब बच्चों से पूछते हैं कि उन्हें कौन सा एक्सपेरिमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया। हाय किड्स,
Hello,
कौन सा एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा? मैजिक आई वुड से।
this one, thunder one.
ओके, आपको?
Worms.
What about you?
Smoke.
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा, बच्चों ने इस प्रेजेंटेशन को काफ़ी इंजॉय किया। एंड दीज क्रेजी साइंटिस्ट फ्रॉम यूक्रेन, डोंट टेक मी रॉन्ग, ये अपने आप को क्रेजी कहते हैं। इन्होंने यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे भी इसी तरह के और एक्सपेरिमेंट यहाँ पे होते रहें। कैमरामैन अमन गुप्ता के साथ ज्योत्सना पाटनी, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज़ चंडीगढ़।
भाई बच्चे तो उठा रहे हैं इस मैजिकल साइंस का भरपूर मजा। और टैगोर थिएटर में मंगलवार शाम हुए नाटक ने कुछ